Classroom management is not about being strict, it's about being prepared. In this video, I'm going to break down everything about managing a classroom without losing your voice, your students' respect, and your patience. The good thing about classroom management is that it is not a talent, it's a skill. You can learn it. This comes first because a good management comes from before you enter the classroom. Prepare all the materials before the lesson. Your flashcards, your handouts, your marker, your audio. If you're searching for a marker while your students are waiting, you lose control. Check your equipment. Does the projector work? Is the speaker connected? Do you have spare batteries? Small problems turn into big distractions. Have a backup plan. Technology fails, or suddenly your audio doesn't play. What will you do? Have a simple speaking activity ready. You won't panic. Arrange chairs so every student can see you and the board. For group work, move the chairs into small clusters. For whole teaching, arrange them in a U shape or in rows facing you. Do not keep the same arrangement for every lesson. Leave a space to walk around. You need to be able to reach each student easily. If you cannot walk to the back of the room, you cannot monitor properly. Write clearly and use different colors for different ideas. Divide your board into sections. One section for new languages, one section for examples, and one section for notes. Erase what you don't need. A messy board confuses students. Your voice is your most powerful tool. You don't need to shout to be heard. In fact, shouting makes you lose control. Speak clearly, change your volume and pitch to keep attention. When you want silence, speak quietly. Students will quiet down to hear you. Rapport is the relationship you make with your students. If your students trust you and like you, they behave better. Learn their names, ask about their weekends, share small things about yourself. This is not wasting time, this is classroom management. Praise publicly and correct privately. When a student does something good, say it loudly. Well done, Sarah, this is a great sentence. When a student makes a mistake or misbehaves, speak quietly. Praise whenever possible and be aware of when students have worked a lot to give you an answer. By the way, don't devaluate words like excellent by using them all the time. Many teachers overuse words like great, excellent, perfect. Students stop believing them. The words lose their powers. Save excellent for moments when a student truly does something remarkable. Say good, well done, almost there, or simply nod and smile. Activities are the heart of classroom management. Bad instructions ruin good activities. Here's my rule. First, get attention. Say, look at here, or clap a pattern. Do not speak until everyone is quiet and do not give out handouts until you set your instructions. Second, give instructions in short, small steps. Third, demonstrate. Show students what to do. Fourth, check understanding. Ask, what do you do first? Do not ask, do you understand? Students will say yes, even when they don't. Do not always put students in the same groups. Change them. Put stronger students with weaker students sometimes and put weaker students together other times. Allow students to work in pairs, in small groups, and as a whole class. Variety keeps them engaged. Give students a clear time limit. Say you have 5 minutes, go. Use a timer on your phone or a timer on the board. When the time is up, stop them. If you don't use timing, activities become too long and students lose focus. While students work, walk around and do not stand at the front. Listen to what they say, take notes on common mistakes, and help quietly. Do not interrupt the whole class. Your job is to observe and support, not to perform. Do not shout, do not threaten, do not humiliate. Instead, use your calm, firm voice. Use your presence. Stand next to a student who is talking and make eye contact. If a student is disruptive, talk to them privately after the class. Do not argue with a student in front of others. You will lose every time. When a student asks a question, listen. If you know the answer, just say it. If you don't, say, I don't know. I'll check and I'll tell you tomorrow. this builds trust. Give feedback on the activity, not on the student. Say, this group did a great job, this is a great sentence, instead of saying, you're so smart, you're not good, your answer is not that nice. After an activity, take 2 minutes to correct common mistakes you heard while monitoring. Do not correct every error, choose 1 or 2. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a teacher who needs it. And let me know in the comments what is your biggest classroom management challenge. I'll read them all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.